Hey there, we're Misen, and we've spent the last 4 years making quality kitchen tools more affordable. We started with an amazing chef's knife right here on Kickstarter, added stainless cookware to the mix, and most recently launched our take on the Nonstick pan. And we're not done yet. But before we get to the rest of the kitchen, we wanted to rethink and redesign the core products that got us here. Now, we're excited to announce the all-new Misen chef's knife, stainless skillet, and nonstick pan. 3 essential kitchen tools to help you cook better. A quality knife is the most important tool in any kitchen. The original Misen chef's knife featured AUS 8 Japanese steel, a slope bolster, and a $65 price tag, making it not just a great knife for the price, but a great knife period. But we wanted it to be even better. First, we upgraded our steel. The new Misen chef's knife is made with premium AUS 10 Japanese steel. With 40% more carbon than the original version, it now holds a sharp edge longer than ever. Second, we improved the bolster for more comfort and control. Pulling the bolster back 1 centimeter provides a smoother transition onto the blade surface and better access to the knife's heel while in use. Third, we added 4 millimeters to the blade's height, increasing handle clearance to keep your knuckles from hitting the board while cutting. We love these changes to our chef's knife so much that we decided to redesign our other knives too. After obsessing over improving our knives, we wanted to make our cookware even better too. The original Misen Stainless Skillet is already top of the line. It's made with a 3 millimeter 5-ply steel for even heating, has an ergonomic stay cool handle, and features rounded edges for easy pouring. It's an incredible skillet and is built to last a lifetime. And in our humble opinion, the Misen nonstick pan is the best value in nonstick. Featuring an industry-leading PFOA-free nonstick coating and an innovative plasma primer, it performs better than pans that cost well over $100 at a fraction of the price. But there was one thing we wanted with both of these pans: more of them. Both our stainless skillet and nonstick pan feature a 19% larger cooking surface without changing the overall diameter of the pan. Or, as we like to think of it, more food you can cook at once. You're literally getting more pan for the money. Part of our DNA is honest and fair pricing. No one wants to spend a lot for quality, and we believe you shouldn't have to. We made a lot of changes to our best products, but the one thing that didn't change was the price. There isn't a better knife or pan out there for the money today. We wouldn't be here without your support, and we're so excited to be back on Kickstarter to continue this journey with you.